you guys are looking for a very tech-savvy unboxing and review, you have came to the wrong place, because I am very average in this area. But as a model and content creator, it is really important to me to have a very nice MacBook that I can edit videos and photos on. So that is why I have gifted myself with the new 2021 MacBook Pro M1 chip laptop. This is also a first impressions video of having a MacBook because I have never had a Mac in my life. I've always had a Windows gaming laptop because it's just best for my architecture schoolwork, and I'm about to graduate, so now I just need a laptop for videos and editing, so I'm really excited that I can finally get my hands on a MacBook.
All right, so first things first, looks like we just have to tear this middle tab. Nice, nice. Good start. Oh, baby. So I got the 14-inch MacBook Pro with 16 gigabytes of memory and 512 gigabytes SSD. I was able to order my MacBook on Amazon and I got it for a total of $2,154.92. So it was not a cheap purchase, but a necessary one. Box is slightly heavy. Let's go ahead and keep opening her up. What? Let's keep opening her up. I gotta get the film off. Oh, look, there's this little thing. Yeah, Apple literally has thought of it all. Let's be real. Ah! Here's the moment of truth. Oh, she's beautiful. Let's go ahead and take her out. I'm doing this with one hand. It's great. So first, let's look what's in the box. Looks like we just have the basic charger and the big charging block. Very standard stuff here. And what's in here? Looks like it just came with some stickers that I will not be using, and just the little manual kind of explaining what all of the ports are. All right, let's take this film off now. Oh, it's like a present. Did that not just remind you of a present? Ooh, I love the black. That's really cool. And it looks like I'm just gonna go like this. Well, that was just beautiful. And let's peel her off. Hey! Okay, she's already loading. Amazing. Hi, literally. Oh my god, look, it's my penguin. I hope my penguin doesn't freak you guys out, but like, he actually makes an appearance in like all my videos. You guys just like might not notice. Okay, so comparing the weight of these two, the Mac is definitely lighter, but they're both generally kind of heavy. This one is very heavy. I would probably say because there are like so many ports in this one. I have like a USB, 2 microphone jacks, a SD card reader, another USB, an HDMI, another USB, and 2 other ports I don't even know or use. So yeah, this laptop definitely has a lot going on. So I got the 14-inch and I feel like this is actually a perfect size. Any bigger, I wouldn't feel as comfortable traveling with it. Oh, hi, hola, hola. Let's give myself some English. Yes, United States. Okay, no. I'm not gonna transfer my stuff right now. Apple ID. So the first thing that everyone was really excited about was the Touch ID as well as the power button. You have 2 speakers on the side here and then the trackpad. On the left side, you have the MagSafe 3, which is the charging port. You have the 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-Cs and then the headphone jack. And on the right side, you have an HDMI, another Thunderbolt 4 USB-C, and an SD card slot, which I was literally waiting for. This is why I was putting off buying a MacBook, because I was waiting for this. I just really did not want to have an adapter. I don't know what iCloud keychain is. Hey Siri. So here's the Touch ID thing. Use your fingerprint to unlock your Mac. Ooh. No one steal my identity. Guys, which one? Light, dark, light, dark, light, dark, dark. Ooh. Yeah. My first MacBook. Oh my gosh. Going through the rest of the features, you have the menu bar, a FaceTime HD camera, which I think is really nice because, you know, everyone's doing online stuff these days, And then the control center. Obviously, you have the Finder and the dock, all of that good stuff. I really like the keyboard. Very nice button pushing. And a lot of the reviews I was talking about in the new MacBook, they were talking about the touch bar that's right there and how everyone hated it. So I'm kind of glad that it's not there. I don't have to like worry about it. I also really love that the screen is like very full screen. I noticed on previous Macs that it was a little bit thicker. So I just like that it's really maximizing the whole entire screen, if you know what I mean.
If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel and you're into modeling, content creation, photography, fashion, that type of thing, that is more my area of expertise and what I typically make videos on, not tech. So if you guys are interested in any of those things, I would love it if you guys stayed here on my channel and gave me a little subscribe and a little thumbs up. And I think I'm gonna go edit some pictures. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Dude, I feel like it needs to be in the shot. Like, we're kind of a team. He's like my little support system right here. It's like, you got it, Amanda. You make that YouTube video. I'm so weird. All right, let's go.